Hello, our song is Amazing Grace. It's our brown belt song. This song is the most complicated rhythmically that we've done so far. So first of all, we have 3 beats per measure. So we're counting 1, 2, 3. Right here we have our eighth notes, which we can use an and. So we can go 1, 2, 3, and. Our and still counts in that beat. We're just splitting the beat up. So 1, 2, 3, and. Now we have our a dotted quarter note right here. We've had a dotted a dotted half note before, and our dotted half note gets 3 beats. That's because a half note is worth 2 beats, and this dot adds an extra half of the value. So half of 2, or 2 divided by 1, is 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So this guy gets 3 beats. Now, our dotted quarter note. So our quarter note is worth 1 beat. We're going to add with our dot half of that value. So half of 1 is half. So our dotted quarter notes are worth 1 plus half, or 1.5. So right here we can count 1 and 2. So we're cutting that second beat in 2. So we're going 1 and 2 and, which are just 2 beats, because remember our ands help us divide the beats in 2. 1 and 2, that first beat and a half, is on this note. Now this single eighth note gets the last and. So we're going 1 and 2 and then 3 and. So this measure is super tricky because we're switching from D to B, and we're counting in a tricky way as well. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and. So let's just practice that measure all on its own. Oh, sorry, I should count us in. 1 and 2 and here we go. Oh, that's really tricky. That's tricky for me too. So you're going to practice just that measure until you can do just that measure. Now, there's another tricky spot coming up right here. 1 and 2 and right here, 3 and. We're going to count it in the same way. This time we're starting on E, jumping to G, and then back to E. So we're going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and. Let's try it. 1, 2, here we go. There we go. So have fun practicing this song. Start with the tricky measures, those ones with the dotted quarter notes. Then play it in small chunks till you can do it all together. Where we have these breath lines, breath spots, those are a good place to pause. So you can play just up to that breath mark a few times, practice that, then try just from the breath mark to the next breath mark a few times.